would you just take a little look at this special lineup? Hello. Totally already have a history video on this 38 Chevy. It's pretty sweet. And one of my all-time favorites, this Ranchero. And the Finley's Lincoln Continental. This thing, it's massive. It's a behemoth. We'll do a little spin around everything in a second. This is just a little that we have parked outside of, voila, Shook Enterprises, our family-owned mechanic shop for over 40 years. Thanks for being a mechanic, Dad. And then look at the Chevelle. I'm gonna ask the owner if I can make a video on it and do a drive video as well. And right across is this beautiful Cadillac Fleetwood. It's massive too. And this blue, look at that. You can't beat that with a stick. And the grill, look at that grill. And the Dagmar bumpers right here. Now, Dagmar bumpers are kind of a curious term that was put on them. I'd like to say in honor of the actor known as Dagmar, who had quite a buxom figure. And these, if I remember right, these are some taillights that are quite unique. They look like a little, doesn't that look like a screaming alien right there? Were those done by Richard Teague? Dick Teague? I think they were. Somebody comment if I'm right. I think I'm right. But that's some excitement. There's also a Datsun, a little Z hiding over there that's new. I haven't seen it yet, so we'll go take a look. But let's take a closer spin around some of the cars. Around here. So I am actually here. It's the end of my work day. I just finished up my 9 to 5 and I have my 912E, my Porsche 912E. Yeah, proper pronunciation is Porsche, but I grew up in a mechanic shop in South Texas and we say Porsche. Comment if you have a problem with it. Helps me in the algorithm. If you like classic cars, you want to see more of it, you might want to see the actual progress that I have been making slowly but surely on my 76 912E. Well, go ahead and click the subscribe button, which might be here, might be there, might be here, might be there, somewhere. Bye! Father. Good. Hey, Jay. Hey, James.
Reported some riffraff over there in the parking lot.
Oh, was it me? They better come quick. That one's a slick one.